Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to turn on location text on this device. So first you should go into the camera application and then here click on the right upper corner on the settings icon. Just here you'll see the location text switcher. Just to turn on the location text you should click here once on the switcher, and now we'll go here to the camera and we'll take a picture. And when we'll go back to the picture gallery, you can see here that we got the just the text with our just location. In my case, that's in this Taramesto, Krakow. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.